All right, it's Monday, April 22nd, just following up on the SPY. You can see it's continuing lower here after kind of forming an intraday structure to the downside on bar 4. Paused a little bit. Now we're continuing lower into this gap of the pre-market range towards yesterday's close. I just scaled out to set up a no-risk trade here. I bought those 505 puts at 887. I just scaled out at 975, almost a point higher here. And now we get to see, after it kind of hopefully reaches yesterday's close, kind of take out yesterday's low and the weekly low on the first day of the week. It's still tough to say. We're inside of yesterday at the moment on the daily chart, but it's a red bar. And on the weekly chart, as discussed, we are anticipating at some point taking out the low of the previous week, given that big red week and and these 3 targets below. So buys to the downside all the way when price kind of broke through on bar number 4 here, red, and then gave you a little pause on the 1-minute chart up in this area. I bought some puts, anticipating we'd get this follow through lower. So we're getting it now, no risk right now, to see if kind of this becomes the high of the day and we kind of work our way towards yesterday's close and yesterday's low. That'll be kind of the base hit type of gain. If everything works out well, we'll get one push down, pause, second push down. And again, maybe today's the day we take out that weekly low and we see what develops from there on the daily chart going into the rest of the week. But you never know. I mean, the market might want to kind of hold in here into this gap and then make some kind of crazy move to take out liquidity on kind of a 1, 2, 3 pullback in this downtrend before working lower. But for now, opening price action certainly indicated it wanted to start down to the downside. So at no risk right now, we get to see if we get a little bit of a more directional move in the morning towards some of our targets that are in play. But we don't know if it's going to be hit today or at some point maybe later in the week. But so far, so good, moving lower. And, it should get to this close as kind of a real first target. And then we'll see at that point if it could take out the low, which would be a nice trade, buying puts here on bar number 4 and kind of reaching our, first target of the week early on Monday. So let's see if that unfolds.